Before hanging an IV piggyback, it is important to check if the medication in the secondary bag is compatible with the fluids in the primary bag. To do that, use the library database Micromedex, which contains an IV Compatibility tool powered by Trissel. From the CBC homepage, click on the quick links and then go to the library's homepage. Click on the blue Databases button. Then click on M. Scroll down to Micromedex and click on the link. If you're at home, you'll be asked to log in first. Click on Micromedex again. Care notes are patient handouts. On the database homepage, click on the tab IV Compatibility near the top. Then type in a drug name. For example, a common pain medication, hydromorphine. I'll select hydromorphine hydrochloride, and I can see that it is listed under the search box now. I'll type in another drug name, for example, a common antibiotics, gentamicin. I'll select gentamicin sulfate. Now both drugs are listed under the search box. It is optional to select a solution unless you want to check a specific solution. I'll click on the blue View Compatibility button at the bottom. On the results page, I can see that there is one result with a green check. Click on the result, will show the details of the study, including the specific concentration of the drugs and the solutions used that were compatible. Let's take a look at another example. I'll click on the tab IV Compatibility near the top again to start a new search. This time I'll check cefepime and vancomycin. I see that the results are mixed. There are 6 compatible results and 3 incompatible results indicated by the red icon. Let's click on the results link, and we can see the list of studies. Click on the studies, will show the Trissel study details. Because there are variable compatibility results depending on drug concentrations, nurses should carefully double-check the concentration of the drugs ordered to make sure whether they are indeed compatible or not. So in this example, the higher concentrations tend to be not compatible. Thanks for watching this demo. Hope this is helpful.